Working with HP as a partner is something which sits very neatly with our educational mission to prepare people for the next stage in higher education and ultimately into the world of professional pathways. Sprout is a product which squares nicely with a strategic priority we have to address a significant issue of concern nationally, and that is the number of women who are in STEM industries.
We're using Sprout at all different stages of the design process. It allows us to scan an image in 3D and then print out into a 3D format, as well as bring computer-aided manufacturing to life, which is essential in our new specification.
Sprout has been invaluable for our kinesthetic and visual learners. You can move between videos, images, pictures very, very easily. Having it as an all-in-one PC where you don't have to add on any extra devices, it's a great tool to have in the classroom.
What we are doing is looking for numerous opportunities to engage with this product and link it to our curriculum plans so that we can break through that glass ceiling and square with our agenda for women into science and engineering. This supports that neatly and accords entirely with our development plans as a school.